Well, I might just go through that because they're gonna go to ice run.
Ice run?
Yeah, because they're gonna get more bubbles too, and then I can get like a shirt if they have, like, depending on where we go. Is that okay?
Yeah.
And then I'll get my bathing suit on afterwards. And take
Ashton, do you need more bubbles in there?
Drink, sweater, and
Oh, where'd they go?
vitamin water trash.
Yeah.
Did Grandma take the bubble?
And maybe Tim, if Josh
Yeah.
is going with you, and your dad, I don't know, you can show him.
I think we're all out.
Okay, come with there a minute.
Because he wanted to see that.
Hello.
Hello. Okay.
Oh, there's the bubbles.
Yeah, Grandpa's gonna go get some more bubbles.
Let's put some more in there.
All the bubbles.
Ready for some more?
Wow.
There we go. Try to pop them, Ashton. Can you pop them? Pop, pop, pop.
Where's Coco? Oh. Being so quiet.
Coco, there's your
Trying to
pool.
stay cool.
Hydrating over there.
You wanna go in your pool?
Are you drinking? Did she eat anything last night?
Oh, yeah, a little bit. She didn't eat much. She